Yeah, we're down here at Friendship. It was flooded a little bit, but it's starting to dry up. And creek's going down. This is Lafferty Creek. Lafferty Creek. Yep, starting to go down. Ah! Yep, starting to go down. Wonder what this is. Looks like a spring or something over here. Something bubbling out of the ground over there. Looks pretty slick right here. I don't want to bust my butt. Never knew this was here. Look at that. Coming out from underneath that tree right there. Let's see how cold it is. Might be a spring. Oh, I just about went in the creek. Yeah, it's pretty cold. I bet that might be a spring. Never seen that here before. Looks like little birds been coming getting drinks. Never know when a spring's gonna pop open. Coming out from around that big old cottonwood right there. That's pretty cool. Wind up slipping in the creek, going for a swim. Yep, found a spring right there.